Good day, dear children. Welcome to the class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is industrial pollution and degradation of environment. Let's start. In this chapter, we will learn about pollution and industrial pollution, then forms of industrial pollution, what are the sources of air pollution, measures to control pollution, need for an eco-friendly form of industrial development, then environmental degradation. First, we will learn about what do you mean by pollution. Pollution refers to harmful substances released into the environment. Pollution is an undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of our air, land, and water that may harmfully affect human lives or other species. It refers to adding of harmful substances to air, water, soil, or food which can harm human beings. That is known as pollution. So, what do you mean by industrial pollution? Industrial pollution is the pollution which is caused by industries. For example, from industries, the waste material is directly thrown into rivers, land, or the waste is being burned. This can inversely affect the nature, which directly affects the human beings. That is known as industrial pollution. Let us learn in detail about industrial pollution. Now we will learn about forms of industrial pollution. In what ways the natural resources are affected through industrial pollution. First one is water pollution. Second one is air pollution. Third one is soil pollution. And the fourth one is noise pollution. How water is being affected through industrial pollution? The waste materials from the industries are directly dumped into water. This pollution causes severe poisoning of water in rivers, lakes, ponds, etc., which is a serious threat to aquatic life. Whatever are living in the water, they will die due to this pollution. Second one is air pollution. Industrial pollution can also affect air quality and it can enter the soil, causing widespread environmental problems. Major cause of air pollution is the smoke produced by the burning of coal and mineral oil, which are burned at houses and in factories. The smoke which is coming out from the factories, it contains lots of pollution. This liberates SO2, CO2, CO, smoke and soot, which contaminate air. This includes the smoke which is coming out from the factories includes gases which will cause pollution to the air. Next is soil pollution. The solid and liquid waste of industries are dumped over the surface of soil. This causes the addition of toxic chemicals into the soil. The last one is noise pollution. Industries create a lot of unwanted sound which interfere with communication, leisure, and relaxation. Noise pollution can cause hearing loss. It is increasing due to the use of heavy duty machineries. So these are the 4 types of industrial pollution which is caused through industries. Now we are going to learn about the sources of air pollution. Sources means through which ways the air is being polluted. From industries. There are numerous sources of air pollution. The major sources can be classified into the following categories: by human activities and by natural means. Humans will also pollute the air, and by natural means also the air pollution will happen. Some are explained in detail. First one is Air pollution due to motor vehicles. This is a human activity, isn't it, children? Most air pollution comes from vehicles of various types. These vehicles pump out huge quantities of smoke and other harmful substances into air. This we already know, isn't it? The smoke which is coming out from the motor vehicles will definitely pollute the air. Second one is burning garbage. Garbage means waste. Garbage includes paper, rags, hair, house dust, waste, etc. Burning of garbage is also a good source of air pollution due to smoke. Here also the smoke which is coming out from the garbage while burning will cause poisonous gases coming out. So garbage burning is strictly prohibited for waste disposal. The smoke which is coming out from this garbage will also pollute the air. The third one is industrial waste. The introduction of a wide variety of pollutants, both biodegradable and non-biodegradable like oil, plastics, metallic suspended solids, phenols and chemicals etc. generates industrial waste. The waste which cannot be degraded or destroyed is known as non-biodegradable waste, just such as oil, plastics that will remain in the soil for millions of years. So these will remain in the soil and generates industrial waste. Then fourth one is power plants. Power plants produce huge amounts of fly ash, which is the one major causes of land pollution. This we can see in this picture. We can see the fly ash which is coming out from the power plants, isn't it? So this ash can also pollute the air. Next is biomedical waste. These wastes are generated from hospital activities including laboratories and other associated areas. Biomedical waste include animal remains, biological waste, chemotherapy waste and stocks of infectious agents etc. So these are all biomedical waste. This will also pollute the air. The smell which is coming out from these animal remains, biological waste, near to the hospitals we can see that surgical waste, everything that will create a bad smell, foul smell to the environment. Then chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers are often washed out of the soil by rain. They eventually drain into streams and rivers where they nourish the algae and effectively as they nourish farmers' crops. In this way, the whole water body gets deteriorated. Indiscriminate use of pesticides also pollutes air, water and soil. See, look at this picture. They are using chemical fertilizers. So, while indiscriminate use means overuse of these pesticides will pollute the air. Next one is offshore oil drilling. Oil drilling in between sea cause a lot of water pollution and imbalance to ecosystem. See, look at this picture, the burning picture. That is oil drilling. That is in the center of water, the center of sea. In the middle of the sea, they are doing this oil drilling. This will cause a lot of water pollution and imbalance to ecosystem. Oil drilling causes a lot of water pollution like oil spilling, air pollution, etc., which is dangerous to aquatic animals. This will not only cause oil pollution, the smoke. Can you see the smoke which is coming out from this? This will cause not only air pollution, but it is dangerous, but also it is dangerous to the aquatic animals. Aquatic animals means the animals which is living in the sea, water. Then next is radiation, X-rays. X-rays are electromagnetic waves very similar to gamma rays. So we already know how to take an X-ray. We have seen X-ray also, isn't it? So it is electromagnetic waves which originate from the outer electron shell of radioactive substances, isn't it? So this pollution, this will cause radiation, and this pollution, which is a special form of physical pollution of air, water and soil due to the presence of radioactive materials. The radiation which is occurred when an X-ray is taken, this will cause pollution of air, water and soil. Next is radioactive fallout from nuclear plants. The last one. The atomic blast not only produced the local ionizing radiations at that time, but the radioisotopes produced as a result of explosion enter the atmosphere and continue to fall out gradually over broad geographic areas for a very long time. See, when we hear about atomic blast, the one thing which is coming to our mind is the explosion, nuclear blast in China, Japan and China. Do you remember? Yes. So, uh, Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the nuclear bombs they have exploded. The whole area is being destroyed. It will not only destroy, it is being said that it will not only destroy the geographic area but will also pollute the environment, pollute the air. So that is what is called as radioactive fallout. These are known as nuclear fallout or radioactive fallout. So these are the main sources of air pollution. So what all we learned, children? What are the main sources of air pollution? First we learned about air pollution due to motor vehicles, burning garbage, industrial waste, power plants, then biomedical waste, chemical fertilizers, offshore oil drilling, radiation X-rays and radioactive fallout from nuclear plants. So in today's class we have learned about what do you mean by pollution and what do you mean by industrial pollution. Then what are the four different forms of industrial pollution? Air, how water, air, soil and noise pollution causes from industries. Then we learned about what are the sources of air pollution. We will learn in next class.